JD's, Lentilman, pool twerps. I got the pool shirt on, so you know what time it is. It's time to open the pool for 2022. Not a good year. If you've been following my channel, you'll know what's going on. So this year, you're just gonna kind of watch me work. Really not into it right now because everything else we got going on, but anyway, it has to get done, so it's getting done. First step, as usual, is removing the leaf nets and cover. So let me get the camera set up and we'll get right into that. There's no real skill involved in this, it's just brute force. Well, the leaf nets are done. That's nice. Cover. The corner, the outside corner of it, I don't know if it's in frame or not. It's hard to tell because I got a big sky behind me that's bright. The outside corner, I put a piece of a pool noodle, or actually a whole one that I cut and put on there as a last-ditch effort last year after my other plan didn't work. I believe Tollboy sent that idea in, and I kind of had that idea, but just thought I had a better one, and that didn't work out the year before. So it looks like this almost worked. There is a little threadbaredness in that corner. It's just a little spot. I'm gonna save the cover this year for next year, because what do they get, like 80 bucks a pop for these things? So to not have to buy that would be good. And next year there will be tons and tons of water on there, and it'll be shot, and the pool's gonna be horrible. How does the pool look now? Well, I'll tell you something, not as bad as I thought. So let's go and pull this cover off. JD's and Lentilman. Take a look at that. That is pretty amazing. Really not too bad. Look at that. This is a very, very joyous occasion. Now it's going to get worse from here, there's no question about that. but this is a very joyous occasion. You can see the bottom. It's otherwise clear. It's just green growth on there. So what happened? Why is it not so bad this year? This happened, I think, 6 years ago, where it was like almost clear like that. The reason this happens, guaranteed, is the weather. It all depends on the weather. If we have too many warm days before it's time to open the pool, the algae growth gets out of control. We had relatively cool weather, and it only very recently started to get warm out, so the algae growth started, and here we are. That was it. That's guaranteed what the issue is, because that is the only deciding factor between that. The orange things, the duct tape, I just hope it's not stuck to the, it is. It left glue on it. All right, not too bad. And of course, all the black gunk and stuff has to go in the pool at the far end where it's hard to get. There just is no other way, because if I pull the cover this way, then that cover, if I pull it that way, then that corner rips the cover and it's over. Could I pull it just to that point? Maybe. I don't know. But regardless, a lot better than the pool dicks would ever do. That's for damn sure. So I'll fish these orange things out in time. We have a cover to fold up, and then we can move on to the next part. We did it! That's it. Lo hicimos. The cover and leaf nets are now all folded up. The water bags are there. The water's green but clear. I like that kind. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this first part of who even knows how many parts this year is going to be for the pool opening 2022. Thank you very kindly for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.